The Pagani Utopia isn't just a car, it's a love letter to speed, craftsmanship, and imagination. At a time when the automotive world is racing toward automation, screens, and silence, the Utopia arrives like a handcrafted piece of art from another dimension, one where soul still matters more than software. With the Utopia, Horacio Pagani wanted to capture a dream, the pure essence of driving, stripped of distractions and delivered with absolute beauty. The result is breathtaking. Every surface is sculpted, every line is poetic. The body is shaped from carbo-titanium, a material Pagani developed that's lighter and stronger than carbon fiber alone, technology blended with artistry. The design language is unmistakably Pagani, yet entirely new. The swollen wheel arches, the exposed titanium bolts, and those fan-like turbine rear lights. Details that feel almost jewelry-like. It's not styled to impress a computer, it's styled to make your heart skip a beat. Underneath that exquisite body sits a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged AMG V12, hand-built by Mercedes-AMG specifically for Pagani. It produces 864 horsepower and over 1,100 Nm of torque, delivering thunderous acceleration and a spine-tingling soundtrack. But the magic isn't just in the numbers, it's in the experience. Pagani resisted the trend toward dual-clutch automatics and instead fitted the Utopia with a gorgeous 7-speed gated manual transmission, allowing drivers to feel every shift, every gear, every pulse of the engine. There is also an automated manual version, but the real believers reach for that exposed metal shifter, topped with a crystal-like knob that looks more like sculpture than machine. Step inside, and you enter a dream world of Italian design. There are no giant screens, just analog gauges with golden needles, billet aluminum switchgear, and braided leather straps. Every component is machined, polished, and assembled by hand in Pagani's atelier. It feels like stepping into a luxury watch, but one that hurls you toward the horizon with supercar fury. The seats are sculpted, the doors open upward like mechanical wings, and even the pedals are works of art. Only 99 Utopias will ever be built. Each one takes thousands of hours, and each is customized to its owner's taste, from paint colors that shimmer like oil on water, to interiors matched to vintage luggage or bespoke watch straps. With such rarity and obsessive craftsmanship, the Utopia is less a car and more a rolling masterpiece. The kind future generations will study in museums as an example of what a truly analog hypercar looked like in an increasingly digital age. But don't think for a moment that the Utopia is some fragile collector's piece. Pagani engineered it to drive. Lightweight, agile, and uncompromising, it delivers raw speed with total precision. On twisting roads or private tracks, it dances. Perfectly balanced, endlessly communicative, savage when provoked, yet always elegant in the way it moves. It reminds us that driving can still be visceral, emotional, even sacred. The Pagani Utopia is more than transportation. It is a celebration of human skill and passion. In a world obsessed with autonomy and efficiency, it proudly stands for beauty, craftsmanship, and romance. It has no interest in blending in. It's a reminder that machines can still have souls, and that sometimes the future is best imagined not by erasing the past, but by honoring it with extraordinary vision.